Welcome to Statistics for Surveys, Session 3 Diagrams, Segment 1 Bonus Session, Pie Chart, How to Draw it Manually. Drawing a pie chart manually is becoming a bit of a lost art since nowadays most people will use some kind of program to actually draw it. The first thing to manually draw is actually the angle for each slice. You can quickly calculate this by first calculating the relative frequencies, which was the frequency divided by the total. And then actually instead of multiplying this by 100 to get the percentages, you simply multiply it by 360 to get the degrees for each of the slices. So the slice for the third group would be the 0.55, which is the relative frequency, times 360, which will give you 198 degrees. The first thing you want to do when drawing a pie chart is draw a circle. Then draw from the center a straight line to the edge. The first section, the first slice we're going to draw is for the first group, which was 18 degrees. Place I think this is called a protractor in English, at the center and measure the 18 degrees. Then draw a straight line through that point to the edge of the circle. This will now be the first part, the first slice, the first group. You can color it in any color you want. Next up, the 115 degrees for the second group. Again, we place a protractor, but now at the line that we just drawn. Again, the center should be at the middle point of the circle. 115 degrees is measured, and we draw a straight line. The next group of 198 degrees is a little bit tricky because the protractor only goes to 180. However, 198 is the same as 180 plus 18, so we can actually measure 18 degrees in the opposite direction. So here I'm drawing the 18 degrees and we actually have the line there. Now the last group will of course be the remaining part of the circle, and that should equal to 29 degrees. You can double check this, and in this case it will be slightly higher because of the inaccuracy by using PowerPoint. I hope this gave you a fair impression on how to draw a pie chart manually.